Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine, plus you have started your studies. Welcome to today's online class. Today we'll study the second chapter of English Reader, and the name of the chapter is The Cherry Tree. But before that, I would like to request you to please like and subscribe this channel for exciting news, data and information. So let's start. Today we are going to start the second chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Cherry Tree. Yes, do you know students why this chapter has been named Cherry Tree? Yes, because this chapter is about a tree that is of cherry, and the main basic character or hero of this chapter is Rakesh. Rakesh is a very cute and sweet boy under 8, and he loves eating cherries. He lives with his grandfather near the Himalayan region, and both are having very good and strong relationship and bond with each other. Because of living in the Himalayan region, because of the slopy roads and unfertile soil and bad weather conditions, they do not have very sweet fruits near their village or in the town. That's why they are unable to receive good fruits. But the cherry which Rakesh was eating once directly came from Kashmir, and it was very fascinating, very loved and attracted towards those cherries. He was eating. But when he was eating the last cherry, he could not throw the last seed, and he was rolling in the mouth, such as we enjoy the toffees or chocolates. Na? We keep on enjoying it in the mouth. So he brought that seed to the home, and he planned to plant that seed. He told his grandfather told him an advice that if you want to have something lucky, do bring it to your use. Then nothing is lucky actually. Everything is materialistic. If you want to make anything lucky, you should save it in your conscious mind, and then you should make it a proper use of it. Then it will become lucky. So this golden sentence of grandfather Rakesh kept and stored in his mind. So like this, many weather changed. Winter came, rainy season came, summer came, autumn came, but the seed could not become into a tree. But yes, it became a small plant which was surrounded by pebbles, which Rakesh did. But once Rakesh went to his village to help his mom and dad in plowing the field, when he returned, he was very shocked. He was happy to see that the seed had grown up into a larger tree. A tree that was a home to a butterfly, to caterpillars, small hummingbirds, and some mantis and different kinds of insects that have made the home in the branch of the tree. This gave pleasure to Rakesh as well as to his grandfather. Although Rakesh was very enthusiastic and curious to know that when the seed will grow into a plant, Rakesh's grandfather was the person who helped him maintain the patience. And now the seed has become into a tree. It was very fruitful. Sometimes grandfather used to pull a chair and sit under the shade given by the tree. Sometimes Rakesh would lie down in the garden and enjoy the shade provided by that tree. So like this tree was very helpful to all the insects as well as to grandfather and Rakesh. So the story comes to an end, dear students. I hope you like this story. But there is something, I missed one thing. Do you know Rakesh was very helpful to his grandfather also? Yes, he used to read the newspaper every day and tell the news to his grandfather. What is happening outside the house and what is happening in the world, because grandfather's eyesight was weak. He could not read the newspaper, and in that exchange, grandfather used to tell him the stories and Rakesh used to read the newspaper for them. So there are some morals of this story, dear students. Up till now, we used to find out only one or two morals, but this story has more than two morals. I will tell you. The first moral is that we should be very respectful towards our grandparents or any elders of our home. Not only of our home, but to all the elders that we meet in our school, college, society, office or anywhere. Because respect is the first and the foremost step towards creating the stronger bond or relationship. So second moral is that we should be very helpful to our grandparents or any elders. We should try them to help as much as we can. The third moral is that we should try to plant as much as trees and plant in our veranda, balcony or corridor, because growing plants will help the mankind also in many ways. Then the fourth moral is very hidden in the story. I will tell you. The fourth moral is that we should try our best to maintain patience. Yes, we should practice patience, because students, patience is the first step towards achieving anything bigger. Yes, if you will have patience in your heart, then only you will be able to achieve something bigger or larger. So these were the 4 morals. I hope you enjoyed this story, dear students. This was the first story in this class which had so many morals, no? And I'm sure you and your friends could take out some more morals when you will discuss this story. So these are some set of homeworks for you. Read the chapter very carefully, plus search out some morals and discuss it with your parents, plus write these 4 morals also which we discussed right now. Try to solve exercises and try to search out the tough words, plus take out the meanings and write it into your notebook. So I hope you enjoyed today's session, dear students. Please maintain and practice patience.